Welcome, fellow adventurers, to an extraordinary journey beyond the familiar shores of Zakynthos. Prepare to escape the bustling crowds and embark on an unforgettable adventure into the heart of the Ionian Sea. This is your invitation to discover secrets that many travelers never find. We're about to unveil the best day trips to nearby islands, showcasing hidden coves and pristine beaches accessible only by boat. This unique perspective offers an unparalleled opportunity to discover a completely new side of Zakynthos and its stunning surroundings. Get ready to redefine your Greek island experience. From Zakynthos, a world of island wonders awaits, each offering its own unique charm and allure. We've handpicked 3 incredible destinations that promise pristine beaches, crystal clear turquoise waters, and untouched shores, allowing you to truly escape mass tourism. These islands are not just destinations, they are experiences waiting to unfold. First, let's talk about Kefalonia, the largest of the Ionian Islands. It's a majestic land of dramatic landscapes and breathtaking natural beauty. Here, you'll find the famous Myrtos Beach, a crescent of dazzling white pebbles framed by towering cliffs. Its waters shimmer with an almost unbelievable blue. Beyond Myrtos, Kefalonia offers so much more. Explore the enchanting Marathonisi cave, where sunlight pierces through an opening, illuminating the underground lake in a magical glow. Discover the charming fishing village of Assos, with its pastel-colored houses clinging to a narrow peninsula beneath a Venetian fortress. Kefalonia provides a perfect blend of iconic sights and serene escapes. Next, we journey to Ithaca, the legendary home of Odysseus. This island is a haven for those seeking tranquility and a deep connection to history. Ithaca boasts a rugged coastline dotted with secluded coves and traditional villages. Its untouched beauty feels like a step back in time. Explore the picturesque Vathy, the island's capital, with its charming harbor and neoclassical buildings. Discover hidden beaches like Philiathro or Sarakinico, where the waters are calm and inviting. Ithaca offers a peaceful retreat, far from the usual tourist paths, inviting quiet contemplation and genuine relaxation. It's a place where myths feel real. Finally, we turn our attention to the tiny, captivating island of Marathonisi, often called Turtle Island. This small, uninhabited islet is a protected nesting ground for the endangered loggerhead sea turtles, Caretta caretta. Its unique shape, resembling a turtle, adds to its charm. Marathonisi offers 2 distinct beaches, one with soft sand, ideal for turtle nesting, and another with pebbles and 2 sea caves. Swimming in the waters around Marathonisi is an unforgettable experience, often accompanied by glimpses of these magnificent creatures. It's a truly special place, emphasizing the delicate balance of nature. These 3 islands, each distinct, provide an incredible opportunity to explore the Ionian Sea's diverse beauty. They offer a chance to swim in truly pristine waters and soak up the sun on shores that feel untouched. By choosing these destinations, you actively avoid the typical tourist traps, ensuring a more authentic and peaceful adventure. Beyond the well-known shores, the Ionian Sea holds a treasure trove of secret beaches, accessible exclusively by boat. These secluded havens offer an unparalleled sense of tranquility and exclusivity. They are perfect for an immersive experience, far from any crowds. Imagine stepping onto a beach where your footprints are the first of the day. These hidden gems are often nestled within dramatic cliffs, their waters shimmering with an almost ethereal glow. The only way to reach them is by navigating the coastline, revealing their beauty slowly. This journey itself becomes part of the adventure, building anticipation for the untouched paradise ahead. One such marvel is the famed Shipwreck Beach, or Navagio, on Zakynthos itself. While not entirely secret, its iconic status and boat-only access make it a must-see. The sheer cliffs and the striking blue of the water create an unforgettable backdrop for the rusted wreck. Visiting it by boat allows for the best views and swimming opportunities. But beyond Navagio, countless smaller, unnamed coves await discovery. These are the true hidden gems, often known only to local boat captains. They offer calm, clear waters, perfect for snorkeling, revealing vibrant marine life beneath the surface. The silence, broken only by the gentle lapping of waves, is truly restorative. Imagine anchoring in a secluded bay, diving into the refreshing, cool water, and swimming to a tiny stretch of sand. There, you can bask in the sun, surrounded by nothing but nature's grandeur. These moments of pure solitude and natural beauty are what make island hopping from Zakynthos so uniquely special. They offer a profound sense of escape. These secret beaches provide an intimate connection with the Ionian landscape. They are places where you can truly unwind, away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The exclusivity ensures a peaceful and personal experience, making memories that will last a lifetime. This is the magic of exploring by boat. An island hopping adventure from Zakynthos is far more than just a boat trip. It's a profound cultural immersion. We believe in immersing our guests in the vibrant local culture, making every moment on board an authentic Greek experience. This journey is designed to engage all your senses. One of the highlights is savoring authentic Greek cuisine prepared with the freshest local ingredients. Imagine enjoying a delicious meal on deck with a gentle sea breeze and stunning views as your backdrop. From freshly caught seafood to traditional salads bursting with flavor, every dish tells a story of the land and sea. Our onboard meals are a celebration of Greek culinary traditions. We prioritize ingredients sourced directly from local farmers and fishermen, ensuring unparalleled freshness and taste. This commitment to local produce supports the community and provides an authentic gastronomic experience. You'll taste the true essence of the Ionian Islands. As you dine, the sounds of traditional Greek music often fill the air, adding to the enchanting atmosphere. The melodies, sometimes lively and sometimes soulful, evoke the spirit of the islands. This auditory experience deepens your connection to the culture, creating a truly immersive environment. It's a soundtrack to your adventure. Beyond food and music, the cultural immersion extends to interactions with your local crew. They are often passionate storytellers, eager to share insights into island life, local customs, and the rich history of the region. These personal connections transform a simple boat trip into a meaningful cultural exchange. You might learn about ancient myths, local fishing techniques, or the unique traditions of each island you pass. This direct engagement with local knowledge enriches your understanding and appreciation of the Ionian Sea. It's an opportunity to see Greece through the eyes of those who call it home. This holistic approach ensures that your island hopping journey is not just about visiting beautiful places, but about truly experiencing the Greek way of life. It's about connecting with the heart and soul of the islands. Every detail is crafted to provide a rich, memorable, and culturally resonant adventure. Embarking on an island hopping adventure requires a bit of planning, but it's simpler than you might think. We're here to provide practical advice on how to book your unforgettable journey and ensure a smooth, enjoyable experience. Knowing these tips will help you maximize your time and enjoyment. First, let's talk about how to book an island hopping adventure. The best approach is to research and book in advance, especially during peak season. Many reputable tour operators in Zakynthos offer a variety of island hopping excursions, ranging from full-day trips to multi-day itineraries. Online booking platforms are convenient, but don't hesitate to visit local tour offices upon arrival for personalized advice. When choosing a tour, consider the size of the boat and the number of passengers. Smaller, more intimate tours often provide a more personalized experience and can access smaller coves. Larger boats might offer more amenities, but can feel less exclusive. Read reviews and compare itineraries to find the perfect fit for your preferences. Next, recommendations for reputable boat tour operators are crucial. Look for companies with strong safety records, experienced captains, and positive customer feedback. Operators like Mythos Travel Zakynthos, Zakynthos boat trips, or Blue Caves and Shipwreck tours are often highly rated. Always check their certifications and insurance. A good operator will be transparent about their itinerary, what's included, like meals or snorkeling gear, and any additional costs. They should also prioritize environmental responsibility, especially when visiting protected areas like Marathonisi. Don't be afraid to ask questions before committing to a booking. Finally, essential packing tips for a day at sea will ensure your comfort and enjoyment. Sun protection is paramount. Bring high SPF sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, and sunglasses. The sun's reflection off the water can intensify its effects. A long-sleeved rash guard can also provide excellent protection while swimming. Don't forget your swimwear and a quick drying towel. A waterproof bag is invaluable for protecting your phone, camera, and other electronics from splashes. Bring a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste. Snacks are always a good idea, though many tours provide meals. Comfortable non-slip sandals or water shoes are recommended for moving around the boat and exploring rocky shores. A light jacket or cover-up can be useful for cooler breezes, especially in the morning or late afternoon. And of course, bring your camera to capture the breathtaking scenery. By following these practical tips, you'll be well prepared for an incredible island hopping adventure. Planning ahead allows you to relax and fully immerse yourself in the beauty and wonder of the Ionian Sea. Your journey to hidden gems will be seamless and unforgettable. To truly unlock the secrets of the Ionian Sea, there's no substitute for insider knowledge from local experts. We've had the privilege of speaking with seasoned boat guides and captains who have spent their lives navigating these waters. Their passion for the region is infectious, and their insights are invaluable. These local boat guides are more than just navigators. They are custodians of the island's stories and traditions. They possess an intimate understanding of the currents, the hidden coves, and the best times to visit each spot. Their expertise ensures not only your safety, but also the most authentic experience possible. One local captain, Giannis, shared his favorite hidden gem, a tiny, unnamed cove on the coast of Kefalonia, accessible only when the sea is perfectly calm. He described its waters as liquid sapphire, so clear you can see every pebble on the seabed. These are the places you won't find in guidebooks. Another guide, Maria, spoke passionately about the most scenic routes. She emphasized that the journey itself is as important as the destination. She often takes a slightly longer route to showcase dramatic cliff formations or to spot playful dolphins. Her routes are designed to maximize visual wonder. Maria also shared fascinating stories behind the islands. She recounted tales of ancient mariners, pirate hideouts, and the resilience of island communities through centuries. These narratives bring the landscapes to life, adding layers of history and human experience to your adventure. You learn about the soul of the place. The local experts reveal the best hidden gems, not just in terms of physical beauty, but also in terms of experience. They know the quietest spots for a swim, the best places to witness a stunning sunset, or where to find the freshest seafood tavernas on a remote island. Their recommendations are gold. They often highlight the importance of respecting the natural environment, especially when visiting protected areas like Marathonisi. Their deep connection to the land and sea instills a sense of responsibility in their guests. They teach you how to be a mindful traveler. Their passion for the region is truly inspiring. They speak of the Ionian Sea not just as a workplace, but as a living, breathing entity that they cherish and protect. This genuine love for their home translates into an unparalleled level of service and a desire to share its wonders with you. These local insights transform a simple boat trip into an educational and deeply personal journey. You gain a deeper appreciation for the natural beauty, their rich history, and the vibrant culture of the Ionian Islands. Their stories and guidance are an integral part of the hidden gem experience. What truly differentiates an island hopping adventure from Zakynthos is its unique multi-island experience, focusing specifically on hidden coves and secluded beaches. This isn't just another tourist excursion, it's an invitation to explore the Ionian Sea's most pristine and untouched corners. We offer a journey beyond the ordinary. Our approach incorporates the authentic narratives of local guides, providing an unparalleled depth of insight and connection. Their stories and expertise transform a scenic tour into a rich cultural and historical exploration. You're not just seeing the islands, you're understanding them. This comprehensive guide to Ireland, hopping from Zakynthos, promises a unique and unforgettable travel experience. We aim to provide more than just beautiful sights. We offer moments of tranquility, adventure, and genuine cultural immersion. Every detail is curated for your ultimate enjoyment. Imagine swimming in waters so clear, they seem to disappear, exploring caves known only to a select few, and dining on fresh, local delicacies under the Mediterranean sun. These are the memories waiting to be made. This is your chance to discover the Ionian Sea's best-kept secrets. So, we invite you to embark on this extraordinary journey. Discover the hidden gems that lie just beyond Zakynthos' shores. Create lasting memories that will forever remind you of the unparalleled beauty and authentic charm of the Greek islands. Your adventure begins now.